Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to send private photo on WhatsApp from computer. Follow these easy steps to easily send private photo on WhatsApp conversation. First of all, on your computer, open a browser and open web.whatsapp.com. And now we have to scan this QR code from our Android or iPhone to log into our WhatsApp web. So right now I'm on my Android phone. As you can see, I'm going to opening my WhatsApp app and tapping on this three dot at the top right. And here tapping on linked devices and tapping on link a device and scanning this QR code. Once it's successfully scanned, I'm in my WhatsApp account here, and now I'm going to opening a chat or conversation, in which conversation I'm going to send a private photo. Once you are in your chat, just click on this plus icon and click on photos and videos, or you can click on camera to instantly capture a photo to send. Okay, now I'm selecting a photo from my computer. Once the photo added, you can write a message or caption for the photo. You can send the picture in one-time view mode. To do that, you have to click on this one icon to enable view once, then click on OK. And now all you have to do is just click on send button to send the photo. As you can see, the photo has been sent, and now the recipient will be able to view the private photo only one time. After one views, the photo will be removed. So this is how we can easily send private photos on WhatsApp from computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.